Hello student, I am Prachi. Today I am going to give the information about the practicals of maintenance of electrical equipment. So this is the practical number 7. Aim is that prepare the troubleshooting chart for the single phase and three phase induction motor. So this is the chart, troubleshooting chart for single phase induction motor. Trouble and possible causes. First is the fails to start. So possible causes are flaws fuses, defective starting mechanism, open in auxiliary winding, fourth is open in main winding, fifth is started capacitor, sixth is overload, then second is runs hot. So the possible causes are overload, starting mechanism does separate, third is low voltage, fourth is high voltage, then third is runs slow. So the possible causes are overload, low frequency, broken rotor bars, and the rotor start, that is the very low voltage. So the next is that the troubleshooting chart for three phase induction motor is the motor of switch on but does not start. So the possible causes are, then next is the motor overheat, then the possible causes, and then the motor stalls. The possible causes are overload and low voltage, then last is the motor runs slow. So this is the chart, and next is the result. The result is that from this above data we have learned the troubleshooting of single phase and three phase induction motor. So this is the practical number 7 of maintenance of electrical equipment. So the next practical is practical number 8. So what is the aim of the practical number 8? Aim is that determine the performance of the open circuit and short circuit test on the single phase transformer and calculate regulation and efficiency. So the diagram is that, see this diagram, two diagrams, and next is the first of all aim, then procedure of the open circuit test and the short circuit test. Open circuit test is that make the connection as per circuit diagram, set an auto transformer to 0 position and switch on the supply. Increase the auto transformer output voltage gradually till rated voltage is reached. Fourth is note down the reading of ammeter, voltmeter and wattmeter. Then fifth is the bring the auto transformer knob to minimum position and switch off the supply. Then the procedure of short circuit test. Note down the nameplate rating and determine the rated current for both the windings of given auto transformer. Then the observation table is that this observation we write after the performing of experiment. So last is the result. So result is that thus the open circuit and short circuit test on single phase transformer is performed at full load, unity power factor. The efficiency of the transformer, it means dash it is calculated after the performing our experiment. So this is the practical number 7 and 8. So thank you. In the next lecture we see the all practicals of maintenance of electrical equipment.